Hello, I got bored of waiting for Tristan, so I'm going to do it now. Okay, so I scrolled them. Yeah, I guess I'll grab those and off to a good start. Let me put those back in. So we got whatever spinning thing, so let's give it a go. Spin, spin. Spin, spin, Sullivan. Just spin. Juicy pear or booger. Where's juicy pear? Okay. 3, 2, 1. That's not good. I'll be back. I still taste it. Okay, so off to a great start. Okay, so spinner. Spin. Just spin, spin. No. Oh, that was good. Okay, I'm fine with this one. They're both not bad. I got grass, but grass isn't too bad. It's just like a salad. A really bad salad. That's bad. That was awful. Blue, 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 blue. Blue. Blue isn't the worst one. I didn't eat with any of them. Berry blue is really good. A bit sour. That was either berry blue or toothpaste. I'm happy. Coconut or baby wipes. I love coconut. I love baby wipes. Not really. Coconut. Next one. Toothpaste or berry blue. Toothpaste or berry blue. I got this one already, so I'm gonna do it again. This is exactly like the toothpaste I use. That's it for this video. I'm going to save the rest for Tristan and Jason, Zach, Spencer, Trenton, and Camille. Okay, so bye.